Hi everyone. Today we start a new special series with all of you, and it's all about consuming REST APIs with Qlik Cloud. Okay, it also works with Qlik View and Qlik Sense, but our demonstrations here will be about Qlik Cloud. Okay, so this is just an intro episode. So it's telling about what is this class about and what you're going to see and what you should expect. So who is this for, right? So this is for developers. If you already have built some API or consumed some API, but you're not quite sure what you did, you just copy from some example for internet, but you're not sure about how to replicate it and how to extend it, but this is for you. So it's also for data engineers. So if you're the guy that are collecting data from outside from REST APIs, this class is for you, okay? And in general, for the BI and Qlik builders, people that create the KVD builders and consumes APIs in general, this class is for you, okay? At the end of this class, we are going to understand all the fundamental parts of REST API. For first, what is a REST API, how to do the connections, what are the supported methods in Qlik Cloud, what are endpoints, how to get the data, and how to paginate, do data pagination. So everything that you need to build and extend almost any kind of API that you face in your professional life, okay? And in this class, you'll be using two APIs. Okay, first is this Stripe API. It's very popular, very well documented. It's one of the best APIs that you're going to see around. And then Qlik Cloud REST API. So they have some differences, and I think those two APIs covers most part of you're going to face in a daily basis in your work. Okay, so those are very good ones, are free. Qlik Cloud is not free, but since you have it already, so it's a good one to use, and also you can extend your Qlik Cloud knowledge consuming the Qlik Cloud APIs. And so what you're going to see in the whole class, right? So first we start with what's REST API. So you see we cover every single aspect of a REST API. What are the tools besides Qlik we can use to test the REST APIs? This is really important topic. So how you can use external tools to test your API in advance. The Qlik REST connector. So how the Qlik REST connector works. What are the most important properties on the data connector? The authentication. We need authentication, right? And some can be very challenging, especially the OAuth authentication. Then how you load the data, right? It can be easy, sometimes can be very complex, and how to do pagination. So pagination can be very challenging, especially when you have to customize your own pagination, okay? So you're going to see those in separated videos. So if you have questions about each one of them, you can focus on that one. Okay, but I suggest you watching the full class from video 1 to the video 7, and subscribe to the channel and give us a like and keep following Data Voyagers. Okay, thank you very much.